Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to switch your TikTok account from personal to business. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the TikTok app. Once you've done this, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You then want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, at the top of the page, you'll see Manage Account. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on Switch to Business Account. From here, all you need to do is click Next. And then you want to choose a category that your account's going to be based on. If none of these fit the description for your account, you can just click Others. Now I'm on the business account. You can realize it's a business account by clicking the three lines again. And as you can see, there's another option, it's Business Suite. This will give you like the analytics and how to promote your business account. So I hope this video helps. And if it did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you.